Alright, what's happening, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys how I made over 20% in just 5 minutes today. And if you don't know, I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube. And I've got a lot of video breakdowns just like this one, trying to help people understand how to take advantage of the market. So let's get right into it today, okay? So this morning we're watching the SPY, which is a S&P ETF. It basically reflects how the S&P moves. And we had this nice uptrend in this gray pre-market area, you can see. And when we opened up today, we were only up a couple of points, so the market really could have gone either way. So here's my analysis that I had for the morning, okay? I decided I was going to go long if we broke above this resistance. Oops, I thought I had the drawing tool. Let me put that on there. So I was going to go long above this resistance here that we created. And I was going to go short below the support if we broke below the support. And as you can see what happened. We broke below the support. So what I did this morning is I traded this down move. Come on, Thinkorswim, let's load up. So I traded this down move right here, as it broke below the support, and I was able to capture over 20% profit in this trade. So let's break it right down, okay? So zoom in a bit more. This candlestick here, this is where we broke this support, right? So what time is this? This is at 9:32, so I should have gotten in at 9:32 here. Let's take a look. And yep, I got in at 9:32, okay, on some SPY puts. And I got in at $1.09 per share, okay? As you can see, when I exited the trade, I got out at $1.33 per contract. I'm sorry, not share, per contract. This is a 24% profit on this trade. So if we take a look here, I exited at 9:35, and you'll see I exited into the strength of the market going down. 9:35 was this candlestick here, and as you can see, we started making even more lows from this low right here. So it was a picture perfect trade today. Less than 5 minutes. I was out at 9:35, 5 minutes after the market opened, and I was in this trade for only 3 minutes. So guys, I wanted to show you that anybody can do this. Anybody can recreate these types of trades. These breaks out of technical areas, technical setups that happen almost every day in the market. And just so you guys, here, a little quick math here. If you were to enter this trade with $100, you would have made $20. If you were to enter this trade with $500, you would have made $100. If you were to enter this trade with $5,000, just 5 grand, you would have made $1,000 this morning, over $1,000 on a 24% trade. So I wanted to show you guys that this is very possible, and I also wanted to show you, if I go into my Discord here, you can see that I said I will be playing the SPY at the break of high of day or break of support. And I said that, let me pull that back up one more time. I said this at 9, before the market opened, 9:29. So like I said to you guys, playing either the break of the high of day, pre-market highs, or the break of this support right here, and that's what I ended up doing. It's a perfect break right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click on my channel below. I've got a lot more videos like it, and you guys should definitely subscribe because I promise you, you will learn something from every one of the videos I post. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a good day.